Hi, I have come with the second reminder that I had promised. I had said that I would come with two reminders for all those of you who had decided to start reading. But along with reminders, this time I have also come with recommendations. I have come with suggestions for first time readers in different genres. So if you have not been able to choose your book, please go through these recommendations and see if you like anything. The first recommendation I have is in the crime thriller genre, and the book is The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. It's a bestseller, and it is also a very easy read. It is a good read, and it's got fantastic twists. So please, if you are interested in this genre, do try out The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. And secondly, I have got something from travel. The book is The Shooting Star by Shivya Nath. Shivya is a person who left her corporate life in her 20s and traveled all over the world. She is very vocal about sustainable travel practices. Do check out her book, The Shooting Star. So that was travel, and now we move on to my favorite genre, romance. And the book is Sheer Mischief by Jill Mansell. Jill Mansell is one of my favorite romantic authors, romance authors. Okay, so she, in her books, there's a perfect blend of romance and wit and quirky characters and a beautiful story. So Sheer Mischief by Jill Mansell. Okay, so what about literary fiction? In literary fiction, I've got Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine, written by Gail Honeyman. Again, this is one of my all time favorite books. Eleanor Oliphant is a wonderful character, adorable, and she's got a wicked sense of wit. She's an introvert, and this is her story. I'm sure you will love it, so do check it out. And now we move on to short stories. In short stories, I would suggest 10 Animal Stories by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond's language is so good and it is very easy to read. And, he writes in a way which captures your attention. And he writes about things that he sees around him. And so we can all relate to it. And each of these stories have got a really lovely hook to it. So 10 Animal Stories by Ruskin Bond in short story genre. And now we come to horror. In horror, I would suggest Carrie by Stephen King. It's his debut novel. And for a beginner, I think it will be an interesting read. So don't look for too many layers in this because it's his debut novel, but it is a good read. So do check out Carrie by Stephen King. And lastly, I've got something in nonfiction for you. It's called Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. And she talks about the creative process and how you can inspire yourself and all that. But I would say that this is very applicable to life too. It's a very comfortable, easy read. So those were my recommendations in different genres for beginners, for readers who are beginners. And for anybody else, these are all wonderful books, okay? And I have read all of them and enjoyed each one of them. So I hope that those who have not started reading will start. And those who have started reading, I'm so proud of you and fantastic. So please keep reading. And till we meet again for the next video, you guys stay safe, take care, and keep reading. Bye bye.